Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Shopify payments. So if you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So in order to do this, what you can do is you can head over in here on your settings. Then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here store details. Make sure that your billing information is at the United States or any supported countries that actually support Shopify payments. You can also change this in here on your locations and make sure that you're on the United States or any location is supported. So in here, let's head over on our payments. And once you have done that, you should be able to see your Shopify payments right here, and you can see this activate button. So click on this one. Then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the new page that this will entail. So this is what it looks like. So just choose the business type that you want. It can be individual, corporation, LLC, or anything. So for this one, let's choose this individual. And you can put in here your business details. If you choose corporation right here, you can also enter in here employer identification number, as well as the LLC and partnership right here. Just head over and then put in here everything, as well as your street address, your state, your personal details, zip code, additional owners, product details, and all these things right here. Once you have done that, just hit over and submit for verification. And once you've been verified, you should be able to receive payments through Shopify payments. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, below, subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you soon.